Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to introduce a new project. So the project title is automatic vending machine. So this is our hardware kit. So you can observe that three spindles over here. So we can keep our tablets in the spindles. So and below this we can have the microcontroller Arduino and the motor driver circuit for these motors, DC motors, and we are using the Wi-Fi module. So in this project actually we have the doc and Android app. So in this we have the two logins. So you can this is our Android app. So we have the two options for doctor and patients. First the doctor has to sign up, and next the patient also should be sign up from here. So we have the registration form over here. So in this the patient has to sign up. So here now the doctor is going to log in. From the login page, doctor can add the prescription for the patient by using the patient ID. So from the patient ID is 21. So I'm going to select the tablets from here. In our demo kit we have only the three tablets, like the three spindles are there now. So like that. So we are adding one tablet and the quantity. So I'm adding the two strips. Two means the strip of the quantity of the strips. So I'm adding this, and I'm adding to again another tablet also crossing of one quantity. So now the doctor gave the prescription for the patient. Now the patient has to come to this vending machine. Then he has to log in by using this same app, and he has to log in with the credentials. Then he has to log in. Then the patient will be displayed with the prescription given by the doctor. Then he has to click on this. So it will give the quantity and the rupees and total amount. So the total amount normally has to pay from the Google Pay, something like that. Then the whatever the credited amount will be get in one SMS to this mobile. Then the payment will be successful. Normally now I am showing as one message with the message of credit. I'm giving one credit message to this mobile message. So I'm sending. So after receiving this message, it will display the payment done successfully. Medicines are dispatching. After that, the medicine will get this machine will get that update from the cloud. So then the medicine will be dispatched from this whatever the medicines given by the doctor. So now the medicines are dispatching with the number of quantity 2. So the third one also is dispatching. So we can collect from here. So totally 3 strips are given by the doctor prescription. Now it is dispatched from the machine. So like that, if you doctor want to give another prescription for the another patient, you have to doctor has to give and payment should be successful. Then only the medicine will be dispatched from this machine. So patient has to come to this machine, and then he has to make the payment. Then these medicines will be dispatched like this. Thank you for watching.